Guys, I just hit 5,000 subscribers and we're gonna do a giveaway coming up. Welcome everybody to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Hit that red button down below. It says subscribe on it. Hit that little bell next to it. You get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right. And if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, the people that helped build this to what it is today, I appreciate you. Thanks for coming back by. Got nothing but love for you guys. So cheers. Thank you guys so much. As you can tell, I'm very excited. We hit the 5,000 subscriber mark. You know, and I looked at it, you know, this time last year, we were not even to 800 subscribers. So it shows the support you guys have all given me, and I appreciate that. It shows the hard work that I think I've been putting in. Yeah, this is pretty damn cool. As I came up to the 5,000 subscriber mark, I decided I wanted to start doing something for my channel to help build the channel and help make you guys be a part of the channel even more than you already are. So I opened up a Patreon account. All right, so Patreon is where you can be a member to the channel, where I'll give other perks that you won't get just based off of YouTube. There's certain tiers. You know, you donate $1 a month up to, I think I set it up for like 500 a month. Gives you lots of good stuff you can do. It helps support the channel. I'll be putting regular content on there too, like behind the scenes stuff, or you know, out and about stuff. You know, just extra content on there. So it's like the super shots or super chats. It's never expected, but always appreciated. So if you want to join CJ's crew on a monthly basis, head over to my Patreon account. The link will be down below, and you know, help a brother out. So we got 4 prizes, all right, for this giveaway. You know, I want to make sure we make this as a big giveaway as possible because it's a very huge milestone for me. So we are doing 4 items on the giveaway. Now, if there are any of the bigger companies out there that want to help donate something to this, hit me up on Messenger or Facebook, email me, whatever, and we'll include you in the giveaway. But as of right now, these are the items I'm giving away. It'll be first place, second place, third place, and fourth place, okay? This will go on until June 30th. So I'm releasing this on Wednesday the 19th, and we'll go on till June 30th, which is a Sunday, and I'll do it live on the channel, okay? And we'll do the automatic comment generator. So like most giveaways, this is going to be, you need to be a subscriber of my channel, you need to comment down below, but I'm changing it up a little bit, all right? I want this out there in the world. So what I need you to comment, so let's pay attention here. I want you to share this, that little arrow down below, copy the link, get it out there, share it on your social media, whatever you gotta do. So when you make your comment down below, I want you to tell me at least one place where you shared this video, okay? So you're gonna have to work for it just a little bit, but I'm hoping to have a lot of comments in there. I'm hoping that we can get, a few more subscribers out of this, because of course we're trying to build the channel, spread the love, let people know what we're doing here. So that's where I need your guys' help. So you gotta work for it just a tad bit, all right? So your comment down below will be, where did you share this? Now you can share it on multiple avenues. You can tell your aunts, uncles, cousins, brothers, sister-in-laws, ex-roommates, whatever, to subscribe, but where did you share it? All right, so you can put Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, I don't know, Reddit, whatever. All right, whatever social media you shared it on, or did you email it out to somebody? Just tell me where you put it down below. These comments will be, I won't be answering the comments. Okay, I will, put a little heart on them, just to show that I've read and acknowledged, and I really do appreciate it. But it's a random comment generator, so I want original comments in there, and not me just saying, thanks, or, appreciate you stopping by, whatever, okay? So let's get to the giveaway. So four places. So let's start with fourth place, and we'll work our way up. So fourth place is going to get some Aubrey D hot sauces. I got 5 bottles of stuff here, and I'll put a little picture up on the corner here. But we got some hot sauce, we got some wing sauce, a sweet chili sauce, hot barbecue sauce, another sweet cherry sauce. So just it's hot stuff. All right, so that will be the first pick on Sunday the 30th. Third place, Ann at Inkbird donated this smart wireless barbecue thermometer. I think there's 4 ports on it. Yeah, up to 4 probes. It's got an app on your phone. It's waterproof. There's an alarm on it. It's a good deal here. She donated it to the cause to help give away on my channel. So thank you, Ann. I really appreciate it. This is very cool. All right, so that's third place. Second place, we have your very own Meathead Amazon chef knife. All right. Now, if you haven't seen this on my channel, you ain't been watching, but this knife is a beast. Okay. It'll cut what you want cut for sure. But it's definitely a conversation starter. Comes with the knife, comes with a nice leather sheath. It's good stuff. If you don't win, there'll be a link down below. You can click on it and go get you one if you don't win. All right, last but certainly not least, so that would be our second place gift. And I appreciate Meat Cranium working with it, our vendors to get this as part of the giveaway. So the Amazon cutlery will be giving us a grand prize. You get yourself a CJ's Bailey's Man's Fedora. All right. You're not getting one I've worn because obviously that's kind of gross. But whoever wins, I will be in touch with you, and we'll figure out your size, what color you want, and all that stuff. And I'll make sure I get you one. All right, and we'll get it sent out to you. Now, along with that, you get yourself a Cooking with CJ oven mitt. You ain't cool until you're cooking with CJ all over an oven mitt. Cool. All right, so you get that. And then for the rest of it, the rest of the prize will be just I'll add a $25 Amazon gift card. So this is over $100 worth of first prize right here. I'm excited. I can't wait. I hope this triggers us to get to 10,000 and 20,000, 50, 100, whatever. I'm not stopping. We're gonna keep rolling. Keep trying to get these 2 videos out a week. Our Thursday night hot seats, we're booked, through September. I got one in October now, I believe, and one in December. So we have plenty of content coming your way. I hope you guys enjoy it. I appreciate you guys all sticking with me on this one. I'm very happy with what's going on with the channel. Of course, I'm a little impatient. I always want to grow, but we'll get there. All right, we'll get there. So again, to win, June 30th, probably like 10 in the morning. All right, I'll let you guys know as we get closer to it. I'll do a live pick. Fourth place, the Aubrey D hot sauces and barbecue sauce and wing sauce. Third place, the wireless Inkbird thermometer, barbecue thermometer. Second place, the Amazon Meathead knife. First place, the dope CJ hat, glove, and $25 Amazon gift card. So we got a lot of stuff to give away. Again, if you're an owner of a company that wants to be a part of this giveaway, message me and we'll get you added to the list. But as of right now, this is what I'm giving away. So 4 items. So comment down below with where or to whom you shared this video with, and we'll get going. All right. So make sure you watch this whole thing. All right, guys. That's it. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks for, supporting CJ. Take care, guys.